It's been a week already, time is flying fast. I never felt so good as far as I remember. I miss that face, I'm ready, I want more of that. I finally understood, I'm ready to surrender. Oh baby, tell me where and when. Tell me where and when. Make love all day and night again. One single look, oh girl, right there and then I just knew. Never seen somebody like you. I met you on a Wednesday night. Called you up Thursday cause it felt just right. We spent all Friday hand in hand real tight. Even Saturday, Sunday, then Monday and Tuesday night. Tuesday night. Sometimes I pinch myself, it could have been a dream. This is my current mood, I always will remember. You're nothing but yourself, and that's why I believe that this could last for good, cause we're so great together. Oh baby, tell me where and when. Tell me where and when. Make love all day and night again. Day and night again. One single look, oh girl, right there and then I just knew. Never seen somebody like you. I met you on a Wednesday night. Called you up Thursday cause it felt just right. We spent all Friday hand in hand real tight. Even Saturday, Sunday, then Monday and Tuesday night. Tuesday night. Feel just right. Tuesday night. Oh, feel just right. I've tried my best to concentrate, but you are always on my mind. I can hardly wait to see your face. I met you on a Wednesday night. Called you up Thursday cause it felt just right. We spent all Friday hand in hand real tight. Even Saturday, Sunday, then Monday and Tuesday. I met you on a Wednesday night. Called you up Thursday cause it felt just right. We spent all Friday hand in hand real tight. Even Saturday, Sunday, then Monday and Tuesday night. Oh yeah, feel just right. We spent the night together. We spent the night together. Felt just right.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa.
I'm with you.